Okay, Kaila, this is from who's? Let's see who this is from first before you open it. Can you read that?
To Kaila from who?
Aunty Tracy and Uncle Kevin. They gave you that. Let's see. Open it. There's our Christmas tree. By the way, today is the Sunday after Christmas.
Happy New Year.
After New Year. And finally we are opening up Tracy and Kevin's present together. We haven't seen, Kaila hasn't seen me during Christmas. Oh, what is that?
Maybe just open the box.
It's a box. What's inside here? There's some presents from Aunty Tracy.
And also
Uncle Kevin. Okay, let me help you. Okay, there. Now go open it. See what's in there. Look. What's in there? What's that? What is that? Wow.
books.
Wow.
More books.
Yay. That's some nice books. Do you like them? What?
Yeah.
I tell you what, Kaila. Look at the camera. And then say, oh, you're coughing, yeah? Say thank you to Uncle Kevin and Aunty Tracy.
Thank you.
Look at the camera and say it.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Tracy and Kevin. She loves them.